شهر رمضان الذي أنزل فيه القرآن.
Shaykh, Ramadan al-Kareem is a blessed month in which we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for more and more. But sometimes many people don't know many du'as. So what they should do, how they should ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
Well, the best way to ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to make dua is to make dua in the words of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. That would be the best way to ask. And if you actually study those duas, remember that those invocations are so beautifully versed and so beautifully worded that they seem not only to include everybody's feelings but also intentions. But suppose you don't remember so many dua in the Sunnah in Arabic, make dua in any language. Allah knows all languages. He understands every language. In fact, He understands even the very deepest feelings we have in our hearts that we conceal from others, and yet Allah knows them. So what the practice should be is, one, learn the dua of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, but two, in the meantime, that temporary, I would call temporary handicap, shouldn't stop you from making dua all the time in every language or any language that you know. Make sure you keep asking for everything. You go to for example, the petrol pump, and you get your car refueled. Make dua. May Allah bless us and give barakah in this fuel. You go to the shopkeeper. What do you say when you meet your friends and your family, and you say, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It's a dua. It's a beautiful greeting, and it's a dua. Your shopkeeper, like I said, he hands you some change. Make dua for him. Make Allah give him barakah in his halal income. Even a smile is a sadaqah. Being nice to someone is a sadaqah. Use this time to get into the habit, like I said, for the rest of the year as well. Make dua for everybody you meet, for every situation you encounter. May Allah accept all our duas.